Maya Fatma Jalali. I will take your love to give me hope, give me joy, and make me a better man.
You were my reason back then, my reason now, my reason every day. You strengthen my weaknesses, bring focus to my dreams. Here and now I pledge my life to yours, that your dreams becomes my dreams. No matter where life leads me, I know that as long as you're here, that is where I'm meant to be.
I promise to listen, to hear, and to always consider your feelings and thoughts as we travel together on this beautiful journey.
Into your waiting arms, waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms.
Jibran, you have been my best friend, mentor, playmate, confidant, and my greatest challenge. But most importantly, you're the love of my life, and you make me happier than I could have ever imagined, and more loved than I ever thought possible.
Inside your waiting arms, waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed to your waiting arms.
I vow to love, honor, and cherish, forsaking all others as a faithful husband, as long as we both shall live. I love you.
You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, you're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. You're the first of the year, a warm kiss in the cold. You're the whisper in my ear when I need it the most. If I was cast on an island and could only bring one thing, still you'd be all I need. All I need, I need. Say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak. Just know you're all I need. So when you're feeling blue with a weight on your chest, I can feel it too. I'll take your worst and the best. I'll be there for you, like you're there for me. 'Cause you are all I need, all I need. I need. How do I say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak? Just know you're all I need. You're all I need.
You have made me a better person, as our love for one another is reflected the way I live my life. So I'm truly blessed to be part of your life, which as of today becomes our life together.